This is a BMW 535i. We had issue with the horn and the column controls, the volume control, the cruise, the cause, the cruise set and all that mode. They are not working. So after much inspection, we found out that the spiral cord is bad. So I had to lose it out. So we need to order for another brand new. Then we fix it. Looking at it ordinarily safe, it looks like something that is bad. Look at, we have some particles here. That shows that it's the cord inside has grounded. So yeah, changing it. After changing it, then we do reset on other things to do. This is the Belgian one we just bought. This is the old one. So let's do comparison first for installation. I think they are the same. No difference. Let's start installation. After I finish tightening it, we have to kill the cover before we count it and put the steering. So let's continue. Come closer, please. They all have their own settings. It has to match. If not, the down cover will not fit in well. So let's fix it down. You capture it, right? So it will take a little patience to couple it well so that we will not have issues with this side. So you can look at it. They are well fixed now. So we just have to count the control. We have to take our control from this side. So this is the ending. So we have to take our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just that. So we have to take total is 4.5, but it's not completely 5 and it's not completely 4.5. We just completely and 4.25. So we have to take 2, left 2, right 2. So we'll have to recount back. If you emerge more than this, you cut the spiral cable inside. So let's recount and start again. This is the ending. So let's start. 1, 2. We are done. We have to check if it's matched with the steering. Put it accordingly. This is how it is. Steering is way straight. Now we'll start our 30. This is our 17. Okay, I think it's 16. 15 millimeter socket. So we tighten it. Continue. So we have to start plugging this. Plug this one. Have to key this back. At the middle. Then press it. Boom. Set. So let's give it a test. This is okay. Our horn is working. So let's give it a proper test. Let's see if it's control already. I think it. I think that the volume is coming down. I think that the volume is going up. So let's change our mode. Let's put it on FM.
And when dollar
I see
rate
it.
is favorable, other prices generally are favorable. When interest rates are not
Not
favorable,
working.
it doesn't reflect
We are
in
not all
all
working
other
before,
prices.
but we got to try. So let's give it our own control test by turning it this other way and turning the other way. Let's start. One, two. Let's try it again. Is that the middle? Okay, let's try it again. One, two. So it's fourth of the horn and the set of the controls. This radio control, core, cruise was because of the 40 on control. We have to change it complete with the. Let's check the navigator. It's working. Okay, let's check the wiper. Okay, let's press the water. It's also working. So everything's working perfectly. So we have to reset the airbag light because it won't go off. We have to initiate it with our computer. So want to do a quick reset on the airbag light. You know, the having the initial memory of the other Spira cord that got bad. So we are on the diagnostic process. This is 09 531i S drive BMW 2010 model. So let's proceed. The car is on now. So we are done resetting the airbag light. The car is on right now. See, there's no light on the dashboard again. After replacing the Spira cord, we are done replacing it and the light is off.